In this episode of the SMS cottage temperature control, I will explain the wiring of the system. If you give the command pin to Raspberry Pi, it will show you the name and place of the in-out pins. This can be very useful. Let's start with the pins for the relay. These are pin 39 and 40. Pin 39 is a ground pin. Pin 40 is the GPIO 21 pin, which gives you 1 or 0 by plus 3.3 volt as 1 and ground as 0. It is a good idea to start with a resistance of 330 ohm while connecting to the relay. This is to protect the computer from harming current levels before you can examine the resistance in the actual wiring. If it is too much resistance to control, the relay can just bypass the resistor. The probes attached to pin 1, 6, and 7. Pin 1 reads the probe with 3.3 volts. Pin 6 is the ground pin and pin 7 carry the actual information from the probe. In the standard wiring for the probe DS18B20, there are a 4.7K ohm resistor connecting pin 1 to 7. If the waterproof probe is used, then red wire is connected to pin 1, black to pin 6, and obviously yellow to pin 7. If the electric component is used, look at the flat part of the component and connect the left leg to pin 6, middle to pin 7, right to pin 1. It is important to recognize that the modem Huweai E173 is a USB 2 modem. It can only work if it is connected to one of the USB 2 connectors on the Pi. This means only in a non-blue one. Done!